Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying your thesis and collecting 5-10 essential sources. This anchors the AI. Once done, prompt the model to produce a structured outline with 3-5 sections and estimated word counts. Use a focused prompt. Include thesis, audience, citation style, and band content to avoid hallucinations. You should iterate immediately. Ask for a bulleted argument map, then request paragraph drafts per section. Make sure to save versions and label them so you can compare changes. You now expand each outline point into full paragraphs using stepwise prompts. First ask for a rough draft, then request weaknesses and counterarguments. Once done, pull supporting evidence by asking the AI to summarize relevant source excerpts and suggest inline citations. Verify each excerpt against originals. Make sure to preserve your voice by providing exemplar sentences and tone notes and instruct the model to match them. Finally, combine revised paragraphs into coherent sections while checking. You finish by polishing for clarity, citations, and format. Ask the AI to produce a concise abstract and a formatted bibliography in your chosen style. Then conduct a manual read-through and use a similarity tool to detect overlap. If issues appear, instruct the model to paraphrase flagged sentences and recheck. If hallucinations or incorrect citations persist, stop and fetch the source text, then reprompt the model with verified quotes. This prevents repeated errors and preserves academic integrity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.